Good morning, students. I am Ajay Pratap Shukla from Yes Convent Senior Secondary School. Students, in previous lecture, we had already discussed about the normality. Students, today we will solve about the numericals of normality. Students, you know very well about the normality. The formula of normality is number of gram equivalent present in 1 liter of the solution. It's called normality. Normality is equal to W upon A into V in liter. Okay, normality is a concentration term. Here W is equal to mass of solute is equal to equivalent mass and V is equal to volume of solution. Okay, we had already discussed about the normality, so let us start about the numericals of normality. Okay, let us see. 5.85 gram NaCl is dissolved in water. What should be the volume of the solution to form N/10 solution? Okay, given in the question, mass of solute is equal to 5.85 gram. Normality of the solution is given in the question N/10. It means 1/10, right? We will find in this question volume of solution, yeah, V. Okay, the formula of normality is equal to W upon A into V. In the question, W is equal to 5.85 gram, V is equal to, we will find in the question. Okay, E is equal to equivalent mass is equal to molar mass upon N. Molar mass of NaCl is equal to molar mass of NaCl is equal to the atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23 and chlorine is equal to 35.5. Okay, the molar mass of NaCl is equal to 23 plus 35.5 is equal to 58.5 gram. Okay, molar mass of NaCl is equal to 58.5 gram. Here molar mass of solute is NaCl. Okay, so the molar mass of NaCl is equal to 58.5 and N is equal to here solute is NaCl is a salt. So the value of N is equal to depend upon the number of charge present at the cation. NaCl dissociated into Na plus Cl minus. Okay, the charge present at the cation is equal to 1. Here the value of N is equal to 1. So equivalent mass of the NaCl is equal to molar mass of NaCl is equal to 58.5 and the value of n is equal to 1. So equivalent mass of is equal to also is 58.5. okay, so the volume of the solution V is equal to, by putting the value of mass of solute, equivalent mass and normality, the volume of solution is equal to V is equal to W upon E into V is equal to W upon E into N. okay, mass of solute is equal to 5.85 upon equivalent mass 58.5 and normality is equal to 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. It means V is equal to 5.85 into 10 upon 58.5. We will solve. The value of volume is equal to 1 liter. okay, the next question is, calculate the normality of the solution containing 5 gram NaOH dissolved in 250 ml aqueous solution. The formula of normality is equal to N is equal to W upon A into B. okay, mass of solute it means NaOH given in the question 5 gram, volume of solution V is equal to 250 ml, equivalent mass is equal to molar mass upon N. okay, the molar mass of NaOH is equal to molar mass of NaOH is equal to the atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23 and oxygen is equal to 16 and hydrogen is equal to 1. Then molar mass of NaOH is equal to 23 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 14. okay, the value of NaOH is a base, so the value of N is depend upon its acidity. okay, the acidity of NaOH is equal to NaOH dissociated into Na plus OH minus. So the value of N is equal to 1 because the number of OH minus ion released through the NaOH is equal to 1. So the value of N is equal to 1. The equivalent mass of NaOH is equal to molar mass by N. Molar mass of Na is equal to 40. The value of N is equal to 1. Then the equivalent mass is also equal to 40. So we will find the normality. N is equal to mass of solute 5 gram given in the question, equivalent mass is equal to 40 and volume of solution is equal to 250 ml. We put the value of volume 250 ml. The volume of solution is 250 ml, so it is converted into the liter. We will multiply by 1000. Then the normality is equal to 5000 upon 40 into 250. 50 by 100 is equal to 0.5. Okay, the normality of solution is 0.5. I hope you understood very well. The next topic we will discuss about the mole fraction in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.